Hey YouTube, Untamed here. So you are looking at the closest thing that we're ever going to get to that 300 series. Well, not ever, but definitely for the foreseeable future, this is going to be the closest thing we get to it. This, of course, is a Lexus LX600, and I tell you what, when you start putting these off-roading components on them, they definitely look the part, and they scream Land Cruiser, and I absolutely love the look of it. So, of course, we got the ARB front bumper up front with a come-up winch up front. So this one looks like they've actually enjoyed it a little bit, which is pretty neat. Oftentimes people will spend $100,000, $103,000 for their brand new Lexus and never take it off-road. And I don't blame people for not wanting to, right? This is a huge investment. You don't want to totally beat it up immediately. Show you the suspension here. We got some eye-lock springs I see there with the Chaos fabrication upper control arms. Rad flow, nice. So definitely a sleek ride. Love the side profile of these LX600s. Let's check out the wheel and tire package here. We have some Icon wheels with some Kevlar, what is it? Kenda Clever RTs. 33 by 12.5, 17-inch wheels here. Give you another look of the suspension out back. So I imagine this brought it up 2 or 3 inches by the looks of it. Let's check out what they have going on out back. It's got a pretty neat whole camper setup and a nice shelving system here with the pull-out trays. Pretty awesome. Wow, got a little refrigerator, some cargo space, cubbies. It really is a sleek ride. We'll pop up in the front there too, kind of give you an idea of what the interior is looking like on this one. So definitely set up for adventure. Armadillo rooftop tent on, is it a Prinsu? What are we looking at here? Yep, and a Prinsu roof rack. 23.0 Armadillo rooftop tent. That's pretty awesome. Let's peek in the front if it does unlocked. Look at that. It looks like they actually get out, and for a lot of Lexus people, when they see that, they cringe. But I think Lexus is doing a good job at distancing themselves from just being a premium luxury vehicle and really becoming a notable contender in the off-road segment is what I'm thinking. So they're definitely making a conscious effort. Here's your switches and off-roading components and lighting components. Look at that dusty infotainment. Love it. Definitely a sweet ride. And we got a black headliner in this. We now get that in the 2024 Tundra TRD Pro and Sequoia TRD Pro. So that's cool. Toyota's listening to its consumers. See out back, not a whole lot of, excuse me, not a whole lot of space out back, especially when you compare it to like the Sequoia. The Sequoia does have a notable amount of leg room here in the second row and the third row. We actually get to we don't have the third row here. I only think they removed it. So definitely plenty of headroom throughout. The black wood grain on the doors. Let's check out this camper setup real quick. This is definitely sweet. It's comfy. I was like, hope nobody's in here. What do we got? So off-grid trailer, and we got matching wheel and tire setup out back. That is incredible with the spare up top. Absolutely love it. Looks like a little bit of a kitchen setup with the sink setup out back. Now, I dig it. Tell me what you guys think. We'll wrap up around the front of it and we'll call it good. Alright guys, we'll wrap up the video there. Let me know what your thoughts are of this Lexus LX600 with this pretty sweet build. Would you support this over the brand new 2024 Land Cruiser that we get in the United States? Appreciate you watching as always. Until next time.